loves, welcome to my video. To those who don't know me, my name is Sharfa. So today guys, I'm here with an exciting, amazing facial healing clay that is going to help you remove acne breakouts, if you have dark spots, if you have blackheads. So this facial mask is good at also removing oils on your skin. To those with an oily skin, it helps you remove the excess oils, the excess impurities that you don't need on your skin. It also acts as a detoxifier that helps to cleanse your skin. And yes, using this facial healing clay, and I'm going to be taking you through the process on how you can mix this ingredient and achieve the skin that you want. What we are going to do, we are going to need a bowl and 1 teaspoon of Nutromin Facial Clay. So we are going to be using this warm water to mix our facial healing clay. We are just going to get like 2 teaspoons of our warm water, then we mix into our clay. So, sorry guys, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to mix this, and again we're going to apply this onto our clean face. So you can use your hands. See, now it has started drying up and you feel like that pulling or sensational feeling on your face. Don't be scared. Yes, so just wait for 20 minutes. When it's done, then just wash it off with warm water. Then there is only one product that you need to apply after applying this facial healing mask. So please stay around to see the product. So after applying your facial healing mask clay, you need to use this shea butter to help you smoothen and all the skin conditions that you may be having for your skin. So just tap this and then start applying onto the affected area. This will give you a smooth texture, yeah, and a glowy skin.